Are you tired of AI giving you the same boring, useless answers? Today, I'm going to show you how a few tiny prompt tweaks can completely change your AI results, from meh to mind-blowing. Stick around, because these 5 secrets will make AI work for you. Most people treat AI like Google, asking vague questions and expecting expert answers. But here's the truth. AI is only as good as your prompt. Garbage in, garbage out. First, give AI a role. Don't just say, "Help me write a resume." Say, "Act as a top-tier HR manager reviewing resumes at Google." You're instantly leveling up the intelligence it brings to the table. Second, context is king. AI isn't psychic. Tell it the who, what, where, and why. The more detail you give, the better it gets. Instantly. Next, tell it exactly how you want the answer. Need bullet points? A table? A tweet thread? Say so. Format is the difference between confusion and clarity. AI is a conversation, not a vending machine. Don't settle. Say, make it punchier. Use storytelling. Cut it to 100 words. It gets smarter with every tweak. Here's a secret prompt formula pros use. Act as expert. Help me task. With context. In format. Try it right now and watch the results blow your mind. Let's test it. Bad prompt. Write a script about AI. Great prompt. Act as a YouTube scriptwriter. Help me write a 7-minute video script about using AI for productivity, in a fun and informative tone, formatted for voiceover. Boom. Night and day. Why does this matter? Because getting better answers from AI means you save time, make smarter decisions, and build things faster. Whether you're a student, creator, or entrepreneur, this is your new superpower. Avoid these. Asking vague questions, not giving examples, forgetting to follow up. These are rookie moves. Don't be that person. To recap, give AI a role. Add context. Define format. Refine with feedback. Use the prompt formula. Master these. And AI will work like it was built just for you. In our next video, I'll show you how to make AI do 3 hours of creative work in just 3 minutes, with 0 technical skills. Hit that subscribe button now.